Dear students, now you learn how to simplify x raised to power 1 by 2 multiplied by x raised to power 5 by 2 by using law of exponent. Now bases are same but exponents are different. Which law will be applied? A raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. You have to use law in bracket. Which law you used in solving the question? You have to write the law here in bracket. Now base is x. We will add the exponents 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Now we will solve 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Denominators are same. You can add the numerators 1 plus 5 by 2 or you can take LCM here. What is x raised to power 6 by 2? 1 plus 5 is 6. When we divide 6 by 2, what will be the answer? 6 divided by 2 is 3. It is the answer. Answer x raised to power 3. Now next example is x raised to power 6 by 5 divided by x raised to power 1 by 5. Which law will be applicable here? Basis same but it is dividend and it is divisor. We will apply a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n is a raised to power m minus n. We will subtract the exponents now. X raised to power 6 by 5, we will write x raised to power 6 by 5 minus 1 by 5. Same, denominators are same. We can subtract the exponent 6 minus y or you can take LCM. If denominators are not same, x raised to power 6 minus 1 is 5 by 5. When we divide 5 with 5, answer will be 1. X raised to power 1. We can write it x only. Answer is x only. You have to use law of exponent in bracket here. I hope these two examples will be clear to you. Next example. X raised to power minus 7 by 2 multiplied by 2 x raised to power minus 1 by 2. How we simplify it? It is x, it is 2 multiplied by x. We can write here multiply sign. Now there are 3 numbers. These bases are same and 2 is the numerical number. We can write it first of all numerical. Then we will write x multiplied by minus 7 by 2 multiplied by x minus 1 by 2 raised to power minus 1 by 2. Here we will apply the law of exponent. Bases are same but exponents are different. We will apply a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power n equal to a raised to power n plus n. You can write used law. Now 2 multiplied by x minus 7 by 2, write in bracket, plus now minus 1 by 2. Next step is to multiply by x. Now denominators are same, minus 7 plus minus 1 divided by 2. 2 multiply by x raised to power minus 7 and minus 1, minus 8 by 2. When we divide minus 8 with 2, we find minus 4. X is minus 4. Now, here exponent is negative. We make it positive. What law applicable here? A raised to power minus n is, we will do the reciprocal of base 1 by a raised to power n. Same we write here 2. We will take the reciprocal of x. What is the reciprocal of 1 by x and raised to power 4. 2 ones are 2. 2 by x raised to power 4. It is the answer. Answer is 2 by x raised to power. Here two laws of exponents are used. Next is find the value of. Find the value of. First is 216 raised to power 3 by 2 whole power 1 by 2. It is 2 by 3, not 3 by 2, 2 by 2. Now we will start to solve this question with exponent here or by base here, as you wish. We will do both. First of all, I will start to solve this question by using exponents. Which rule here we apply? A raised to power m whole power n is a raised to power m multiplied by n. It means a raised to power mn. You will write direct this. No need to write here. You can write or not as you wish. 216 2 by 3 multiplied by 1 by 2. 2 cancel with 2. Now it is 216 raised to power 1 by 3. Now you can write 216 6 raised to power 3. How? You can make the factors of 216. It is not necessary to make here prime factors. You can make prime or composite both type of factors here. Now it is divisible by 6 or it is divisible by 2 is 108. Again divisible by 2, it is 54. Question is 54. Again divisible by 2, 27. Again divisible by 3, 9s are 3 3s are and 3 1s are. 216 is 2 raised to power 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power 3. Here we use law of exponent. bases are different but exponent is same. You can multiply the bases and you can write the power is 3, 6 raised to power 3, same. Or you can make the composite factor here by observing this digit 216. It is divisible by 6, 6 3s are 18 and 3 remainder 3 6 36, 6 6 are 36, again 6 6 are 6 1s are. You can write 216 is 3 times 6 6 6 and you can write 6 raised to power 3. You can do both methods here. You can make prime factors or you can make prime or composite. Now, which rule be applicable here? Same rule. 6 raised to power 3 multiplied by 1 by 3. 3 cancel with 3. It will be 6 raised to power 1 equal to 6. Answer is 6. Now you can solve this question by using first base. 216 is the base. You can write it 6 raised to power 3 here. 2 by 3 whole power 1 by 2. Now you can solve this by using this law of exponent. 6 raised to power 3 multiplied by 2 by 3 whole power 1 by 2. 3 cancel with 3. Now it is 6 raised to power 2 whole power 1 by 2. Now we will use here same rule. 6 raised to power 2 multiplied by 1 by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 raised to power 1 is 6. In both conditions, answer is 6. You can apply any method starting from exponent, starting from base, but rules will be appropriate. Now next question is find the value of 27 raised to power minus 1 by 3 multiplied by 16 raised to power minus 1 by 4. Same, you can write by observing this index. Index is 3, so we will try to make the base power 3. We will write here 3 raised to power 3 minus 1 by 3 multiply by, we can write here index is 4. We will try to make it base power 4. It is 2 raised to power 4. You can make prime factors in rough. 16, it is divisible by 2, 8 za, 2 4 za, 2 2 za, 2 1 za, so 16 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 is 2 raised to power 4. You can do making prime factors in rough. Now we will apply here which rule of exponent? A raised to power m whole power n is a raised to power n. Write in bracket. You can write used law of exponent. Now 3 raised to power 3 multiplied by minus 1 by 3. Write in bracket or not. Now it is multiplied. Now 2 raised to power 4 multiplied by minus 1 by 4. 3 divided by 3. So 3 raised to power minus 1. 2 raised to power is minus 1. Now, exponent is negative. So you can apply a raised to power n is 1 by a raised to power n. Reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Power is 1. No need to write. Reciprocal of 2, 1 by 2. Power is 1. No need to write here. Now, numerator multiply by numerator. 1 ones are 1 and 3 twos are 6. Answer is 1 by 6. I hope these examples will be clear to you. Next example is (36) raised to power 7 by 2 minus 36 raised to power 9 by 2 divided by 36 raised to power 5 by 2. Now, bases are same, no sign multiplication or division here, so no rule of exponent will be applied here. First of all, we can write 36, here index is 2. We can write 6 raised to power 2 whole power 7 by 2 minus 6 raised to power 2 whole is 9 by 2 divided by 6 raised to power 2 whole power is 5 by 2. No student will cancel to divide this. You will apply here law of exponent. Multiply by 7. Now you will cut. 2 will cut. 6 raised to power 2 multiplied by 9 by 2 divided by 6 raised to power 2 multiplied by 5 by 2. Now 2 cancel with 2, 2 cancel with 2. Next step is 6 raised to power 7 minus 6 raised to power 9 divided by 6 raised to power 5 here. Next, how to solve this? We can write 6 raised to power 7 divided by 6 raised to power 5 minus 6 raised to power 9 divided by 6 raised to power 5. Now we will apply a raised to power n by a raised to power n, a raised to power m minus n here. Write in bracket 6 raised to power 7 minus 5 minus 6 raised to power 9 minus 5. 6 raised to power 7 minus 5 is 2 minus 6 raised to power 4. Now we'll take 6 raised to power 2 is the common. 1 minus 6 raised to power 2. 6 raised to power is 36 and 1 minus 36. 36 multiplied by minus 35. Now you have to multiply 36 with minus 35. 36 multiplied by 35. 5 6 are 33. 15 and 3 18. 3 6 are 18. 1 and 9 and 1 10. 0 8 and 16. Answer will be negative here, minus 1260. Because when we multiply positive integer with negative, answer will be negative. Answer is minus 1200. I hope this question will be clear to you. If minus sign between these two terms, no rule will be applicable here. Here the rule will be applicable. This rule will be applicable here. Thank you.